Hello everyone, this is Nava from Nava Natural, here to inspire you to feel and look fabulous every day of your life. Today this message is to thank each and every one of you for being part of Nava Natural, to allow me to keep this company Nava Natural and to serve as many people as possible to feel good from the inside out. This is a thank you message to all of you that have been with me for so many years and make my heart warm with all your wonderful comments and your voice, your being allowed me to be successful and to be happy to serve you. It's a give and take, as I always think, and you actually were the fire behind my success. So thank you so much to each and every one of you. If you were a business that worked with me, or if you were a customer that did a detox program with me, or you bought a skincare product from me all those years, thank you. I wish well to each and every one of you, good health to each and every one of you. I would like to inform you that I'm operating my business now from Israel, now no more from the US, even though our products are manufactured in the United States. But since the coronavirus and all the madness that's going on right now, we are, of course, slowing down all the manufacturing, and so this is my opportunity and your opportunity to get as many products as you want for lower price, so you can enjoy gifting the people that you love with Nava Natural Skincare, or you want to just stock on your own product that you love. I know many of you are addicted to this product, so just like me and many other people. So please feel free to go to the website navanaturalskincare.com and get what you need to get. Because we don't know when the production will renew itself. We don't know what's going on. Nobody actually knows what's going on. So I really encourage each and every one of you to buy as many products as you want until, I will send you another message. But for now, we really encourage the people that really feel like your words. You can't live without the product. Then please go ahead and purchase it on my website. I will no longer send you so many emails. For right now, people that want to communicate with me can do it via WhatsApp. The WhatsApp is available and free to everyone in America and here in Israel, and it's free to use. My number to use here is 05344888483. This is Nava Natural, and then there is another sentence in Hebrew, Chaim Beguf Bari, living in a good life, in a healthy body. I am, of course, giving all the information still. I'm not going anywhere. I'm here. I'm alive. Thank God. I'm healthy. Thank God. And so I hope you are and your family. So I'm wishing you all the best. I'm wishing you good health, and please stay connected via Facebook, Nava Natural, via the group Living a Healthy Body by Nava Natural. That's a Facebook group. And of course, if you have questions or any comments, you can do it via WhatsApp or Facebook page. So I know some of you don't have Facebook, so you can use WhatsApp to connect with me. Please stay in touch. I'm really wanna keep hugging you, keep loving you, keep serving you. If it's skincare or if it's healthcare, I'll do anything to keep you in my life, and hopefully you feel the same. I appreciate each and every one of you. So please because of the media today, because of the free media these days, we are really able to connect no matter where we are in the world. So I'm sending you much love from Israel. Please know that you can connect with me on Facebook, Nava Natural, on the group Living a Healthy Body by Nava Natural. This is on Facebook, and WhatsApp 053-4488-483. This is Chaim Beguf Bari, Living in a Healthy Body. This is in Hebrew, but you can just find me there, Nava Natural. So please communicate with me, stay in touch with me. I love you all. I appreciate you all. And go on the website navanaturalskincare.com or navanatural.com and get your product before we will go on zero inventory. Okay, so a lot of people are purchasing right now because it's before the holidays. So I wish you happy holidays, happy Halloween, and happy Christmas, and happy Hanukkah, and happy everything, and happy day. I wish you all the best. Please don't forget that I'm here for you now and always. And I love you and appreciate you again and again. Do not ever forget it. Thank you so much for being with me, and keep in touch. So we don't need to use emails. We can do email. This is sales@navanatural.com, sales@navanatural.com for any questions. Please. Don't forget that I'm here for you, and I'm sending you much love from Israel, many blessings from Israel. Be well, be healthy, and be at peace. Thank you so much, guys. I hope I hear from you soon.